Hello, 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 hello. Ooh, and we are live. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world and where you are tuning in right now. Hello, hello, good morning po. Ay, good afternoon po sa inyo dito sa Antioch, California. And time check muna tayo. Today is 12:30 p.m. in the afternoon at on October 5, 2024. And yes, you are here. Tama, you are here on my live for today, and you will see my face every day because we have this ongoing 90-day success challenge on our team right now. This is to have personal growth, professional growth, and to form a new habit. Kasi alam naman natin na ang habit, uh, maging consistent na kung may gusto kang gawin, di ba? Kaya ito, 90 Days Success Challenge ang ginagawa namin para masanay kami. And yes, for personal growth to come out from my comfort zone. Kaya ako nag-jump in sa 90 Days Success Challenge na ito. And yes, every day we have a different topic where we discuss our stories, share our ideas, our insights, and our experiences regarding on that topic. And today is our, 76th day of our 90 Days Success Challenge. And before I'm gonna jump in with our topic, I'm a digital business owner. I have a digital business. That is why I have a website, www.jasonkit.com. And I am a mentor too, where we help individuals to jumpstart their life-changing business, o di ba? And to have this opportunity, which is a long term, o di ba? Long term, long term nga naman na opportunity, 'di ba? So, why won't you start something great, 'di ba? That you will be thankful for in the future at mapapasalamatan mo ang sarili mo na salamat at nag-join ako sa business na ito. So, 'yun. Kaya ano bang topic natin ngayon? 26 days, ay 26, 76 day. Yung sabi nila freestyle. Pero, oh my gosh, yesterday was a fun one kasi yesterday we were able to talk about engaging to our audience, and we were able to entertain some difficult questions na pang miss you. Tapos ni-replay ko kasi natatawa lang ako kasi nung ni-replay ko, oh my gosh, that's a good thing kasi usually hindi ako nagre-replay ng mga videos. And then yesterday, natawa ako dahil it is very engaging nga naman. Ang dami nilang mga tanong pero gusto kong bilisan kaya kung ano na lang ang naisip kong mga sagot, yun na lang ang shinare ko, o 'di ba? At least mas true yun. Kaya ang topic natin ngayon, let's talk about being real, being true, and being you, o 'di ba? That is our topic for today. Kumbaga, freestyle daw, sabi ng aming dean. Kaya, anything under the sun. Under the sun. Di ba? So, welcome ko lang muna ang aking mga viewers. I have 4 million viewers right now, and dalawa lang ang nakikita kong nagko-comment dito. So, thank you for coming into my live. Before I will read their comments here, this is Melody. Yeah, hey! Hello, hello. Thank you for always coming into my live, Sis Melos. And first honor na ba ako? Yes, first honor ka nga. Good morning from Oakland. I saw your video yesterday. Parang bagyo. Kala nga dya ilimot, tani, agtudtudo, ngam nagdadakkel nga hail. There's a lot of hails. Oh my golly. Ang lalaki pa. Hindi kaya nakakasira yun ng sasakyan. Ang lalaki yun ng mga hail eh. So, yes, umulan sa kanila sa New Zealand. And ang lalaking mga ice ang ulan. Dios mío. And Zap, uy, hello from under the sea. Wow, hello. And enjoy the aquarium. Enjoy kayo dyan sa mga bata. Regards to everyone and have a good, blessed day. Aba, talagang weekend is a family day. So yan, sulitin ang weekend, di ba? Lalong-lalo na sa mga nagna 9 to 5 dyan na job. Enjoy the weekend. Kasi ayan na naman, magre-recharge, magre-reflect, and then to prepare for next week na naman, 'di ba? Pero kung pagod na kayo at nagsawa na kayo, madali lang 'yan, may solusyon. Visit my website www.josonkit.com, o 'di ba? And anong sabi ni Zap dito, dapat ginawa mo yung parang kay Boy Abunda, isang tanong, isang sagot. Hindi kasi baliktad yung audience ang magtatanong sa'yo kaya kaya pang miss you ang, mga questions nila. Kaya sabi kong ganyan kung puwede nga lang ano, turn on lights on, lights off. Oh, 'di ba ang dali lang nun kaya nga sinasabi ko na dapat hiramin ko yung character ni Shay 'pag i-interview dahil maganda yung ano, kung hindi ang labas nun Boy Abunda talaga. Oh, lights on, lights off. Mga ganun lang mga tanong, mga yes or no. Isang tanong, isang sagot. But yes, oh my gosh, iniisip ko lang yung mga sinagot ko kahapon. Oh my gosh, ang ano, ang redundant lang talaga. Kaya sabi ko nga kung ano talagang naisip kong tanong na nag-pop up. Yun na kasi ayokong magtagal pa sa live kasi ang dami talagang excited kahapon na mag-live. And it was really truly a engaging one and nakakatuwa at saka nakikita mo yung mga very supportive ang community at saka yung team. Kaya sabi kong ganyan oh my, kinabahan ako na nag-enjoy dahil, maganda yung mga tanong nila kahapon like, dealing with criticisms and feedback. Aba, yun yung unang nag-ano sa akin na nag-pop up. Kasi dealing criticisms and feedback, usually I don't take it negative. Ito seryosong sagot. Yung kahapon, fun ano lang yun, fun, light and bubbly ko na mga sagot. But how do you face criticisms and feedback? Kasi yun yung parang nabitin ako kahapon na sinagot. But usually, yeah, tama nga naman yung sinagot ko. I don't really give attention to dun sa mga negative na criticism at saka feedbacks nila. But kabaliktaran, kapag may criticisms at saka feedback, lalo ko siyang ini-embrace kasi parang doon ko nakikita na kaya nga mas gusto ko yung may ano may criticisms na ako nadidinig or may feedback lagi kahit na negative 'yun. And I don't usually accept yung mga ano na 'to, yung mga appreciations, yung mga tawag nito, yung parang ina-appreciate ka kasi parang hindi lalo na kapag naisip ko sa sarili ko na hindi ako kontento sa ginawa ko or sa nilabas ko, parang gano'n. But for facing for criticisms and feedback, I usually do embrace them and then turn it in a positive way. Parang iniisip ko lagi na, kaya niya sinabi 'yun kasi may kulang akong ginawa. Kaya siya gano'n yung feedback niya kasi may mali akong ginawa, yung parang gano'n lagi. And I have to do it more. I have to do more than what I did or change what I did to a better one. Parang gano'n. So, yun yung unang naisip ko. And the stress, yung tanong ni Shay, mga tanong ni Shay, pang mga miss you talaga kahapon. But the stressors in life, usually, I usually set back muna lagi. Pag may stress na ganyan, lagi ako nagsiset back at saka nagre-reflect kung bakit nga ba nangyari yun, kung anong nangyari. Unang-una kung ano ang nangyari. Parang ina-acknowledge ko muna. Tapos iisipin ko kung bakit nangyari yun. Tapos paano nangyari yun. And then what will I do? Parang ganun. Or how will I react? Iniisip ko muna kung paano ako mag-react kapag kasi more on nagiging sensitive ako sa mga sa mga surroundings ko, parang gano'n. But gano'n ang mga tanungan kahapon kaya nakakatuwa. If you want to listen, parang pinagtawanan pa ako ng team kasi parang Armalite daw. Natuwa tuloy ako dahil dire-diretso nga. Yung basa, tanong, sagot, gano'n. Kaya nakakatuwa. And, si Sis Shay, good morning, Sis Shay. Hello, watching from Abong. Nagustuhan ko yung Abong. I love that. Abong means abong means another term for house, for parang balay. Ng abong, iti abong, naununag gamin. Parang mas malalim, no? Yung abong. Abong din ang tawag sa amin. Kan kanaoy. Wan, abong agpayso. Si Mentor Gina yung pang-miss yung tanong ko. Parang naghiganti nga sa akin. Kaya ako natawa. So ito lang is chikahan lang tayo. Kasi kahapon talagang na-stress ako kahapon. Pero that's how I deal with stress. Tawa lang. Para the more lang na nilalabas ko kung ano yung talagang ako kapag nai-stress ako. At saka tawa lang. Parang lumalakas pa yung tawa kapag nai-stress. Alam mo na kung bakit ako na-stress. Na nararattle, hindi naman sa nararattle in a negative way na natataranta, but nararattle sa happiness or sa nagja-jump talaga sa excitement, parang gano'n. So, hi Sis Rose, thank you for coming into my live. Hello, hello sis. Aba, yes, you got it right. Yes, o 'di ba? Yun yung abong 'no, tama. Parang abong din kasi yung tawag sa amin. Ano bang tawag na sa atin, Melods? Parang gano'n din yata. But anyways, um, abong is balay or house. O tama, balay. Di balay, di abong. Abong tatawag mo ti kankanaoy. Kankanaoy, we call it abong also. And then, ang galing mo kayang sumagot pang miss yung sagot. Pero yung ano, if you will ask me what is the real me yesterday, yun talaga. Kung ano yung nakita niyo, kung gaano kagulo, kung gaano ka ano, pag naging komportable sa isang tao, ganun. Kaya, pero kapag first time niyo pala akong ma-meet, tahimik lang na nakaupo sa isang tabi, parang nag-observe lang muna. But once my seat got heated, ay ayan na, magulo, 'di ba? Hindi niyo na maano, hindi niyo ina-expect na yun pala ang gano'n pala si Jao, parang gano'n. Ang dami talagang nasu-surprise sa aking personality. But otherwise, that's me. Just being light and bubbly lang tayo. And then, ano ba, at saka yung ano, yung talagang nagustuhan ko lang na sagot kahapon nung nire-review ko, aba, meron talaga. Kasi meron yung gano'n yung parang, yung yung talagang masasabi mong yung parang ikaw na sumagot, yung parang ikaw na yun, parang gano'n. Yun yung ano, embracing your authenticity. Talagang yun, dun, yun talaga yung tumatama sa akin. Especially if on this journey na nagpa-realize talaga sa aking go live na ito. Being yung kasi parang sa training site pa lang 'di ba nadidinig natin 'yun. Be authentic, be yourself, parang gano'n. Sabi ko, ginagawa ko naman 'yun pero bakit sinasabi pa rin na be authentic, be real, Eh di nung nag-go live ako, dito ko na-realize na, oh, okay, embrace your authenticity. Embrace mo na yung ikaw, embrace mo na lahat-lahat. Yung embrace mo na kung ano yung itsura mo, embrace mo na kung ano yung estado mo, 'di ba? Embrace mo kung ano ba talaga yung why mo. Magpakatotoo ka, 'di ba? Ngayon wala ako talagang pera, kaya nga ako nag-join ng business kahit para ako magkaroon ng pera, parang gano'n. So, just embrace it, 'di ba? At tsaka embrace mo kung paano ka magsalita, grabe. Kasi before that, 'di ba, parang we are on social media. Yes, we are making our posts, pero hindi pala enough 'yun na mapapakita mo talaga yung authentic na ikaw. Gumagawa ka ng post, gumagawa ka ng mga videos mo, mga recorded videos, you're sharing your pictures, your videos, but it's really different when it hit you na talaga na you really have to come out on your comfort zone para makita kung bakit nga ba nila pinipilit, 'di ba? Bakit nga ba nila sinasabi na you have to do this? So parang ito na lang yung naiiwan sa akin na hindi ko ginagawa. Tapos sabi ko, sige na nga, mag-jump in na nga. So I have to jump in. And then, yun nga, nakita ko talaga na you really have to embrace your you, yung talagang kabuuan. Na lahat-lahat, 'di ba? Kasi yun pala hindi mo na kapag pala nililimit mo lang yung sarili mo, limitado din yung pagkakaintindi mo, limitado din yung, pagtingin mo sa isang bagay, 'di ba? Pero kapag ginawa mo pala lahat ang mga sinasabi nila, talaga yung business na 'to parang sinasabi nila na, "Oh, see the system is right." See, see, the process is right. That's why you have to do it. Pero yun talaga yung pina-realize sa akin ng ano na 'to, ng business. Kasi, at first I have doubts, I have, questions, I have, kailangan ba talaga na gagawin mo yun? So, yung naiiwan lang talaga is yung pagla-live ko na 'to. Kasi talagang hindi ako ano, ayoko talaga, yung ayoko hindi talaga ako sanay sa camera at saka hindi ko alam kung papaano ka magsalita, paano mag-deliver. Hindi ko alam kung may mai-inspire ba, may may ano, may maaabot ba 'tong dila ko, parang gano'n ba yung iniisip mo? Pero once you've, stepped in pala, you will realize a lot of things, 'di ba? As long as you will and then you will slowly embrace yourself. Parang gano'n din yung nangyari sa amin. And the good thing is, you understand more yourself on why you are doing this business. What is your purpose? Why you are doing this live? Parang gano'n. So, sabi ko is, kaya I'm very, very much thankful that I was able to make it. I was able to be here on the 76th day ng 90 Days Go Live Success Challenge. Yung hindi ko lang yung hindi ko lang nahaharap na fear is yung ano, ito, but I'm getting there and I know that, yung iba na-reach na nila but we're getting there na yung magsalita in front of the crowd. Oh, yung in front of the talagang digital space na kung saan iba-iba yung manonood sa yung ibang lahi. Yun na lang yung fear ang kinakatakutan. Yes. Kaya ano, ito basahin ko lang 'tong, comment ni Sis, Cheryl. Yes, sincere lang kasi mga sagot mo, nagpakatotoo ka lang kaya mabilis ang sagot mo na no pretensions kaya maganda ang business na ito. Kasi lahat nagpapakatotoo. Tama. Tama, no pretensions lang talaga. OMG talaga kahapon. Yun yung mga bagay na magandang gawin once in a while kasi hindi mo ma-realize at saka hindi mo maiisip kung paano nga mo nga ba aatakihin ang mga tanong, ang mga pagsagot. And the good thing is, yes, if you were able to embrace yourself, lahat kaya mo palang sagutin. Kaya kaya mo palang basta magpakatotoo ka lang, oh, 'di ba? Oh, 'di ba? At least they know and they will know how they will approach you. Yun yung yun yung kagandahan. Kaya nakakatuwa kahapon, tuwang-tuwa. And, yun nga, yung sa paggo-go live na 'to parang yun talaga, embrace your authenticity talaga. Kaya sabi ko, "Ay, ito na yung talagang ano, talagang pinaramdam at pinakita sa akin ng go live na ito." 'Di ba? So kaya pala nila pinu-push at sinasabi na try to go live because it's one of the ways, 'di ba? And it's a good thing that someone who initiated it kasi it's been in the training when you go to the training site they will teach you how. Pero ang pagtakot ka kasi at walang magpupush sa at walang magmo-motivate sa yun yung ano yun yung ano na 'to, yun yung magpapatagal na but you will get there. Nakikita ko lang na you will get there if you'll do your thing, if you want to do your thing, you're exploring yourself on what you're gonna do. You will soon realize that, it is important also to do this. Mare-realize mo din, but, it's okay. We're just sharing it. It's okay that you will go through the process, but we're sharing it, for you not to ano, kung gusto mong 'wag patagalin, then we're just sharing the true experiences we had. 'Di ba? Ako nga pinag-antay ko pa eh. Talagang nag-experiment pa ako, but in the end, it ended up to be on Go Live, 'di ba? At saka malimit yun na ako nakikitang nag-edit or something. Kasi kasi parang I have more fun now on Go Live, doing Go Live rather than, doing some stuff, editing, spending more time on those. But it's good though to have to be para marunong kang gumawa ng mga ganun kasi maganda rin. It really helps on the business, o 'di ba? So yes, this is Rachel. Hi sis Rachel, hello Kamsatjaw, hello, thank you so much. And wow girl, I have learned something from you from your live last night, and it's a good one. Yeah. um Yes, ito pala. Take away from Sis Rachel live yesterday, because they were able to share their journey sa business with Sis Gray. And 'di ba? Ngayon ko lang nalaman na ganun mo pala na nakilala si Sis Gray. And their story was like this. Kaya don't limit yourself. Ito na yung isa na don't limit yourself. And then per Sis Rachel, keep your pipeline full. What does it mean by keeping your pipeline full? You have to keep friends, di ba? Kahit na hindi mo kilala, keep them keep them adding, or keep them inviting them. Keep inviting them on your page or on your business page. Kasi that is the one way of keeping your pipeline full, which is a good one. Di ba? Hindi ko nga alam na ganun eh. And it's a warm market. Di ba? Kaya ang galing. Kaya I've learned something. Yes, and I'll do that. I think I'm gonna do that once, because you'll never know nga naman, di ba? Especially on our journey, we don't know along the way. We will meet a lot of strangers, at saka hindi din nila alam na ito pala yung kailangan nila. So yes, we have to keep our pipeline full by adding friends sa ating business page, even if we don't know them, but at least we were able to see if they're real. Makikita naman natin, di ba? Tinuruan na tayo kung paano tumingin sa mga Facebook, kung paano makita ng legit na Facebook, di ba? Facebook account. So we can do that. And especially dun na sa TikTok, kahit na sino-sino, di ba? So yes, especially on our TikTok, take advantage of that one. So we should not limit ourselves with only what we are comfortable with. So yes, we have to slowly, don't take it long to be staying on your comfort zone. If you're comfortable on one area, move to another one, 'di ba? At saka pag naging comfortable ka na naman doon, move to another one. Parang ganoon. That is one way of keeping your pipeline full. Aba, 'di ba? Galing talaga. Kaya nga sabi kong galing talaga ng mga aking mga ka-business partners and team, na a-amaze ako sa everyday na natututunan ko. And woohoo, 2 weeks na lang, graduation na. I know, graduation na. Magna cum laude ka, girl. Tsaka congratulations for finishing it also on 90 days. Grabe. More than 100, ilan na? Ang more than ka eh. Kasi nag-reset si Shay sa kanyang 90 days. And oh my gosh, galing-galing talaga. Ang galing talaga ng team na to. Hello, good morning. Nakahabol ako. Yes, Ate Debs. And yun nga, we were just talking about takeaways. So, di ba? Sa mga lives nila kahapon. And yes, just embrace your authenticity, and you're doing it already, Ate Debbie. Just continue doing it. And yeah, just showing where you are. Ang ganda kaya ng Hawaii. Ang daming magandang ipakita dyan. And then just simply showing what you are doing. At saka yun naman yung nakaka-amaze ka, Ate Debs. Kahit nagluluto ng banana Q yan. Kung pwede nga lang magpadala dito, padala ka naman dito. So yes, so yun. Ang ano, kaya freestyle ngayon, 'wag na kayong mag-ask ng sasayaw or magkakanta diyan kasi we are reserving it for our future. For our future ano, uh, future lives. So, watch it out, 'di ba? And, 'yun ang aking i-she-share ngayon. Yeah, just be yourself, be real, be true, be you, and then start something great. Ito naman is advice ko sa mga nanonood dyan and who are looking for and aspiring to have a business and to be an entrepreneur like us. Start something great, right? So start something great that in the future you will thank yourself. 'Di ba? Tapos sasabihin mo, kasi it happened to me. I was just looking for a business or I was just looking for, just a supplemental income. But I was very, very thankful that I did it, that I was able to jump into took a leap of faith because after I've joined, everything happened. I don't know if it happened for a reason, but everything happened that I felt like I want to break down or I want to be, broken into pieces dahil sa mga nangyari. Pero dahil sa business na to and it helped me because of this business as I was able to, focus on something greater than the reason why I joined. 'Di ba? The reason I was able to thank myself that I jumped in before everything happened. Kaya hindi natin talaga masasabi na life is inevitable and life is unpredictable, and we have to at least prepare for it, 'di ba? So if this video or live came or passed by on your timeline or on your feeds, then there must be a reason. Just listen to it or just feel your guts. It's a gut feeling talaga na dapat tingnan mo, 'di ba? It won't hurt naman if you will see or listen to it, then at least you've gained something. You've gained something there's a hope or there's a way on how to break that chain or there's a way to prepare yourself, 'di ba? In the future. And that way you will be thanking yourself. Yes. So, yes, I'm gonna see you again tomorrow. And thank you for coming into my live. And it's another blessed Saturday to have with your families and with my husband, of course. And siguro lalabas kami maghalo-halo breakdown. Maghalo-halo break nga. Maghalo-halo date. Ano ba yan? Ito pang gusto kong matutunan yung paano yung di lang magano kaya parang bitin itong 90 days. But anyways, this 90 days success challenge is just the start of it. It's just our step 1, di ba? And there will be more coming on the way. And i-prepare nila. Ba? And I'm very, very much thankful and grateful to my team. Very supportive team and the community that nagpapakita ng mga stories na nagmo-motivate sa amin para magtuloy-tuloy sa business na ito. So just keep on going, and to those who want to start their own business, you can check on my website www.josonkit.com. And if you want to make a first step to see what your future be like, proceed to step 2, di ba? And then if you want to be successful and to be surrounded with the successful people and to read their minds, you can proceed to step 3, and that is a way to prepare for your future and to build a legacy for your family. So yes, that's all, everyone, and thank you, and have a blessed Saturday, everyone, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow again. Okay, thank you guys, and have a blessed Saturday, everyone. Bye-bye.